Pascagoula's humid climate creates the perfect conditions for mold and mildew growth in homes, particularly in bathrooms where moisture is constantly present. One of the most effective ways to combat this issue is by upgrading to a walk-in shower. Walk-in showers are not only stylish and functional but also help reduce excess moisture buildup, making it easier to maintain a clean and mold-free bathroom. Here's how a walk-in shower can help prevent mold and mildew in Pascagoula's climate and some additional tips for keeping your bathroom fresh and dry. Why mold and mildew thrive in humid climates. Mold and mildew are types of fungi that thrive in damp, warm environments. Pascagoula's high humidity levels mean that bathrooms are particularly susceptible to these unsightly and potentially harmful growths. Mold and mildew can cause unpleasant odor, staining on walls and ceilings, damage to bathroom surfaces, respiratory issues and allergies. Keeping your bathroom dry and well ventilated is key to preventing mold and mildew from becoming a persistent problem. How a walk-in shower helps prevent mold and mildew. A walk-in shower can be a game changer for moisture control in your bathroom. Here's why. Better air circulation. Walk-in showers typically have fewer enclosed spaces compared to traditional shower enclosures with doors and curtains. This open design allows for better air circulation, which helps dry out moisture faster and reduces the chances of mold growth. Minimal grout lines and seams. Traditional shower enclosures often have a lot of grout lines and seams where moisture can get trapped, creating the perfect breeding ground for mold. Many walk-in showers feature seamless designs or use larger tiles with minimal grout, making them easier to clean and less prone to mold buildup. Efficient drainage system. Walk-in showers are often designed with a sloped floor that directs water straight into the drain, preventing standing water. Puddles and lingering moisture in a shower space are some of the main contributors to mold growth, so proper drainage is essential in reducing this risk. No shower curtains to trap moisture. Shower curtains can trap moisture and provide a surface where mold and mildew can grow rapidly. Walk-in showers eliminate the need for shower curtains, further reducing moisture retention in your bathroom. Additional tips to keep your bathroom mold-free. While a walk-in shower significantly reduces the likelihood of mold and mildew growth, there are additional steps you can take to ensure a cleaner and healthier bathroom environment. Improve ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial in a humid climate like Pascagoula's. Install a high-quality exhaust fan and run it during and after your shower to remove excess moisture from the air. Keeping windows open when possible also helps increase airflow and reduce humidity. Use mold-resistant materials. When designing your walk-in shower, opt for mold-resistant materials such as non-porous tiles like porcelain or ceramic, mold-resistant grout and caulk, glass shower doors instead of curtains, wipe down surfaces after use, taking a few minutes to wipe down your shower walls, floor, and glass doors after each use can make a significant difference in preventing mold. Keeping a microfiber cloth or squeegee handy makes this task quick and easy. Keep humidity levels in check. Using a dehumidifier in your bathroom can help regulate humidity levels, preventing mold from taking hold. Aim to keep indoor humidity below 60% to create an environment less conducive to mold growth. Regular cleaning with mold-fighting solution. Even with a walk-in shower, regular cleaning is necessary to keep mold and mildew at bay. Use a mild, non-abrasive cleaner with antimicrobial properties, or make your own with a mix of white vinegar and water. Avoid using harsh chemicals that can degrade grout and sealants over time. Final thought: Pascagoula's humid climate presents challenges when it comes to mold and mildew prevention, but upgrading to a walk-in shower can make a big difference. With improved air circulation, fewer moisture-trapping surfaces, and better drainage, a walk-in shower can help keep your bathroom cleaner and healthier. Combined with good ventilation, regular cleaning, and moisture control measures, you can enjoy a mold-free bathroom all year round. If you're considering installing a walk-in shower, work with a professional to ensure a design that enhances both functionality and aesthetics while addressing your home's unique needs.